Tesla stock figure on Wednesday, February 15, $192, certainly greatest 204, least 180. Tesla stock cost on Thursday, February 16, $182, certainly most extreme 193, least 171. Tesla stock figure on Friday, February 17, $187, most extreme 198, least 176. Tesla stock cost on Monday, February 20, $191, really most extreme 202, least 180, which sort of is very huge. In multi-week Tesla stock gauge on Tuesday, February 21, $193, greatest 205, by and large least 181 in an essentially enormous manner. Tesla stock cost on Wednesday, February 22, $198, greatest 210, most certainly least 186. Tesla stock gauge on Thursday, February 23, $200, greatest 212, least 188. Tesla stock cost on Friday, February 24, $208, sort of greatest 220, least 196. Tesla stock gauge on Monday, February 27, $218, really greatest 231, least 205 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Tesla stock cost on Tuesday, February 28, $227, greatest 241, least 213 in an unobtrusive way. Tesla stock gauge on Wednesday, walk 1, $216, most extreme 229, least 203, which explicitly is very huge. Tesla stock cost on Thursday, walk 2, $227, most certainly greatest 241 in every practical sense, least 213, which is very huge. Tesla stock gauge on Friday, walk 3, $238, most extreme 252, essentially least 224. Tesla stock cost on Monday, walk 6, $239, sort of greatest 253, least 225. In 3 weeks Tesla stock figure on Tuesday, walk 7, $239, genuinely most extreme 253, least 225, which is very huge. Tesla stock cost on Wednesday, walk 8, $251, greatest 266, exceptionally least 236. Tesla stock figure on Thursday, walk 9, $263, most extreme 279, lovely least 247. Tesla stock cost on Friday, walk 10, $260, lovely most extreme 276, kind of least 244, which in every practical sense, is genuinely huge. Tesla stock figure on Monday, walk 13, $255, genuinely most extreme 270, least 240. In about a month Tesla stock cost on Tuesday, walk 14, $268, exceptionally most extreme 284, least 252 in an unobtrusive way. Tesla stock figure on Wednesday, walk 15, $268, greatest 284, least 252. Tesla stock cost on Thursday, walk 16, $265, most extreme 281, lovely least 249. Tesla stock cost expectations for February 2023. The gauge for start of February 181, greatest worth 241, while by and large least 181, or so they thought, found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month 208. Cost toward the end 227, change for February 25.41%. Tesla stock expectations for walk 2023. The estimate for start of walk 227, in opposition to mainstream thinking, greatest worth 252, while least 224, in opposition to mainstream thinking, found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month 235, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking, cost toward the end 238. Change for spring 4.85%, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Tesla stock cost expectations for April 2023. The figure for start of April 238, most extreme worth 265, while least 235, arrived at the midpoint of Tesla stock cost for month 247, which is very huge. Cost toward the end 250. Change for April 5.04%. Tesla stock expectations for May 2023. The conjecture for start of May 250, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Greatest worth 252, while least 224, found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month 241, which is very critical. Cost toward the end $238. Change for May 4.80%. Tesla stock cost expectations for June 2023. The figure for start of June $238. Most extreme worth $263. While least $233. Which is very critical. Found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month $246. Cost toward the end $248. Change for June 4.20%. Tesla stock expectations for July 2023. The gauge for start of July $248 in a by and large enormous manner. Most extreme worth $273. While pretty least $243. Or so they truly thought. Found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month $256 in an essentially significant manner. Cost toward the end $258. Change for July 4.03%. Tesla stock cost expectations for August 2023. The gauge for start of August $258. Greatest worth $277. While least $245 in an unpretentious way. Found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month $260. Cost toward the end $261. Change for August 1.16%. Tesla stock expectations for September 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The conjecture for start of September $261. Most extreme worth $282. While genuinely least $250. Found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month $265 in an especially huge manner. Cost toward the end $266. Change for September 1.92% in an unpretentious way. Tesla stock cost expectations for October 2023. Or so they thought. The estimate for start of October $266. Greatest worth $296. While exceptionally least $262. Arrived at the midpoint of Tesla stock cost for month $276. Cost toward the end $279. Change for October 4.89%. Tesla stock expectations for November 2023 in an exceptionally large manner. The conjecture for start of November $279. Which is genuinely critical. Most extreme worth $303. While least $269. In spite of mainstream thinking. Arrived at the midpoint of Tesla stock cost for month $284. Which is genuinely critical. Cost toward the end $286. Change for November 2.51%. Tesla stock cost expectations for December 2023. The figure for start of December $286. Most extreme worth $317. While least $281 in an unobtrusive way. Found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month $296. Cost toward the end $299. Change for December 4.55%. Tesla stock expectations for January 2024. Most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The estimate for start of January $299 in a sort of large manner. Most extreme worth $333. While least $295. Which sort of is very huge. Arrived at the midpoint of Tesla stock cost for month $310, which especially is very critical. Cost toward the end $314. Change for January 5.02%. Tesla stock cost expectations for February 2024, which for the most part is very critical. The gauge for start of February $314. Or so they basically thought. Most extreme worth $350. While genuinely least $310 in a genuinely significant manner. Arrived at the midpoint of Tesla stock cost for month $326, which in a real sense is very huge. Cost toward the end $330. Change for February 5.10%. Tesla stock expectations for Walk 2024. The figure for start of Walk $330. Which most certainly is genuinely huge. Most extreme worth $357. While least $317. Found the middle value of Tesla stock cost for month $335 in an unobtrusive manner. Cost toward the end $337. Change for spring 2.12%. Tesla stock cost expectations for April 2024. Or so they thought. The estimate for start of April $337. Greatest worth $307.